In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a form. So we go to frogvle, choose forms and click on new form. We change the title of the form. Now let's call this form Tempahan T-shirt Rumah Sukan. Then we drag the field, single line for name. So once we have changed the label to Nama, now this is important, this is a required field, so you click on the required field, you will see an asterisk after the name. Then from the field, we choose drop down. Now we edit the label to class or tingkatan. Then we put in the tingkatan. Let's say I'm going to put in upper 6 1, upper 6 2, lower 6 1, lower 6 2. Now once we have typed in the classes, this will also be a required field. Now the reason for doing it this way, so that when we export the data in the Excel file, it will be very easy to sort the data. Now I'm going to add another 2 more fields, also drop down for color and size of t-shirt. So my form is complete. So we have tingkatan, right? We have color and size. Now what we do is that we save this form. Now this is your saved form under Tempahan t-shirt. Now to make things easy, click on Tempahan t-shirt, go to the settings, right, and choose use in a new site. So the Tempahan t-shirt Rumah Sukan will now become a site which will be easy for you to deal with. You can put this site anywhere in your web page. Now what we need to do next is to put the form in a relevant page for the students to access. Now since this comes under Sukan, so I can choose the co-curriculum page. So now we are in the co-curriculum page. Now click on the edit button, choose widget, choose the widget site link. So click and drag it to the page, release it. Now site not specified, click on the site. Now we search for the site Tempahan t-shirt here. So just type in Tempahan, search, there you are, Tempahan t-shirts Rumah Sukan. Click on that and it will appear here. Save changes. Now we close the edit box. Now after we have done that, we can inform the students to go to this site which is in the co-curriculum page. So what the student needs to do, that they click on co-curriculum, they go to this site and then they open the Tempahan t-shirt. Right? Now all the student needs to do is to fill out his name, his tingkatan, alright, warna and size, right? And then submit. Now once the students have filled in the information, we want to know the orders. So what we do is that we go to site, okay, click on site, look at data viewer. Okay, so the data viewer will tell us all the students who have keyed in to place their orders. Now we can export this data by clicking on this settings, export. Now the data will be exported in a Excel file, which you can see here, right? can open the Excel file. So this is the Excel file where you can see the name of the student, the form, the color, and the size. Now then we can use the Excel form to identify what are the colors, what are the sizes, and the classes involved.